Gen X, everybody says that our generation is different. We're ruining our relationships with dating apps. Social media ruins our attention spans. Technology changed everything. Maybe some of that's true, but I think we're missing something very important. The tools have changed, the technology have changed. The humans have not changed a bit. People who built this country in the 1700s, 1800s, fought wars and raised families, started businesses, survived heartbreak and failure in the United States. They went through the exact same things that we went through. Love, purpose, security, connection, hope. We're all human beings. 100 years ago, people worried about their marriages. Today, people worry about their marriages too. 100 years ago, people struggled with addiction just like we do now. People struggle with addiction. 100 years ago, people were afraid of failing. Today, same thing. The faces change, the hair color changes, the technology changes. The human condition is exactly the same. That's why I don't believe you're broken. I don't think you're too far gone. I don't think you're too old. I know you're not. Because the same things that worked and still work now, you show up, you tell the truth, you get help when you need it, ask for help. You go to therapy if you need to. You stop making excuses for where you are, and you start taking personal responsibility and become the kind of partner that you would want to be married to. You become the kind of friend that you would want and need. Become the type of person you can respect when you look in the mirror. And then little by little, your life starts to change. I know. It's exactly what I've been doing the past few years, starting over. I got sober, I lost 70 pounds, changed my life. Stop blaming everybody else. Stop waiting for somebody else to save me. Started building a life I was proud of. I'm living it right now. Not because I'm special, because the formula still works from 100 years ago. Worked for your grandma and grandpa. Worked for your parents if they did it right. And it works today. Show up. Do the work. Take responsibility. Listen. Be present. Repeat. Do the work. If you're starting over like me, type I'm in the comments so I can see you. Know that you're doing it with me. Most people don't need more information. They need accountability. If you're starting over like me, hit me with a DM here. You need some help changing your health, your finances, your relationships. I help people. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.